Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Okay. সম্মানিত অভিভাবকবৃন্দ, আপনাদের সকলের দীর্ঘায়ু সুস্বাস্থ্য সর্বাঙ্গীন কল্যাণ কামনায় আজকের এই প্রাণবন্ত ক্লাসে আপনাদের সকলে আশীর্বাদ কামনা করছি। আমরা ছোটকাল থেকে যদি উচ্চপদস্থ চাকরির জন্য নিজেদেরকে ইন্টারভিউ বোর্ডের জন্য তৈরি করতে পারি, তাহলে এটা দারুণভাবে আমাদেরকে হেল্প করবে। এমনই শুভ প্রত্যাশায় শুরু করছি আজকের প্রাণবন্ত ক্লাস। ওকে, আর ইউ রেডি?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Please speak up. If you don't speak loudly, our cameraman didn't catch us. Okay? Don't catch us. So speak up. Always try to speak up. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So first of all, please tell us something about yourself.
Sir,
Tell us something about yourself. Introduce yourself.
sir,
Sir, my name is.
sir, my name is Arjun Vishwas. I am from a beautiful place named Takshali. There are 4 members in our lovely family. I am a proud member in my family.
Okay, very nice. Do you love your mom? Obviously, you love
Yes,
your
sir.
mom. Yes. So please describe your mom.
Yes, okay, sir. Sir, my mother is my role model. She is the most beautiful, strong, loving, caring, and wonderful person in my life. The only unconditional love in the world is mother's love. My mother is my inspiration, my superhero, my guiding light, and my best friend. The only unconditional.
Okay, a best friend. And okay, my life.
My life would not have been beautiful without my mother. Through ups and downs, every step of life, she holds my hand and encourages and supports me. To be honest, nothing in this world compares to a mother's love. I love my mother.
Okay, very nice. You are a good student. Why are you scared? Don't be scared. Don't get nervous. Be confident. Okay, always be confident. I know this is your first video, but you must have to be confident. Okay. So now you tell me sentence formation. Do you know the present continuous tense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you tell me what is the sentence formation of present continuous. Suppose we are making a video, we are facing interview, we are watching TV. I am going to school. They are playing cricket. This kind of sentence. What kind of tense? These are
These are
present.
present continuous tense.
Okay. Now you tell me. Please speak up. What is the sentence formation of present continuous tense affirmative sentence?
At first, we take subject, then we take auxiliary verb and is or are, then we take verb with ing, then we take subject other complement.
Now, give an example.
Yes, sir. I am eating rice.
I am eating rice. Okay, very nice. Do you know the capital of Bangladesh?
Bangladesh capital is called Dhaka.
Dhaka. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Okay. And what is the capital of Australia?
Canberra is the capital of Australia.
Canberra is the capital of Australia. Okay. Why should we learn English language in this modern world?
It is the language of sciences, aviation, computers, disability, and tourism. Last but not least, it is the language of international communication, the media, and the internet. Whether it is for personal or professional reasons, understanding the importance, English will always help us to move forward
Yes.
and get a good job.
If we know English proper way, it will help us to get a good job. Absolutely good. Thank you so much. Your lovely answer. And now, last and final question for you: that they are waiting for us. They are waiting for us. What is the tense? This is
Present continuous tense.
this is present continuous tense. I had to আমাকে কোনো কিছু করতে হয়েছিল, আর I have to আমাকে কোনো কিছু করতে হবে। আমাকে একটা ভালো রেজাল্ট করতে হবে,
I have to make a good result.
আমাকে নাচ করতে হবে,
I have to dance.
আমাকে এখন যেতে হবে,
I have to go.
তোমাকে এখন যেতে হবে,
You have to go now.
তোমাকে কম্পিউটার শিখতে হবে,
You have to learn computer.
তোমাকে স্পোকেন ইংলিশ শিখতে হবে,
You have to learn spoken English.
আমাকে স্পোকেন ইংলিশ শিখতে হয়েছিল,
I had to learn spoken English.
I had to learn spoken English. Very nice, good, absolutely good answer. Okay, don't get nervous, but always try to be confident. You have to be confident. You have to be polite. You have to be modest whenever you try to talk to someone, or especially into the board. You have to be confident, and always try to maintain your eye contact. Okay, don't lose your eye contact. My dear honorable guardian, to be honest, in this way, if we practiced and আমরা যদি এইভাবে আমরা নিজেদেরকে প্র্যাকটিসের মধ্যে রাখতে পারি, তাহলে উচ্চপদস্থ কোনো চাকরি পেতে আমাদের কোনো রকম কোনো সমস্যার সম্মুখীন হতে হবে না। This is the first video of my student, so he is getting a little bit nervous. I think he will be able to overcome this situation, and one time he will be champion one day. I believe and I strongly believe that. Thank you. He can do it very easily. Please bless us. Thank you. We need your bless. Yes.